sensors in there near the ID part. So all the heartbeats are there and locations can be matched. So here we put the heartbeat sensors so that we can monitor the labor heartbeat. If anybody's heartbeat goes down, we have to pull that labor out. So that was the safety measures we have taken. The next project is 1 kilometer long. This was almost 10 years. All civil engineering. What we study is flexural shear. All cracks are visible here. Not a bad bridge. It was a bad management. Okay, the construction was good, but only thing is that trailer load. Nobody is knowing what is 70R. People with 100 rupees note, they pass on all the vehicles. All type of vehicles should go on the bridge. And the bridge was badly distressed. When after this Mumbai airport, I got this project, they told one of the mad guys there who takes such projects, you can involve him and he can save the structure. And believe me, all the carbon laminates and pre-stressing we have carried out, and we have monitored for 3 years. This project also. This is also almost close to 10, 11 years, and successfully completed this project. And the last client is, of course, I was telling that it's convincing a railway is a god. If you are really a true engineer, and you want to, like, when I was to travel from Mumbai to, I belongs to Varanasi. Okay, so one of the easiest way was, or economical or best, the money was having in a pocket, and that much was a train. So I was, from last 10 years, I was chasing that how can I help railways. It's not that to get a contract from railway, it is like convincing a railway. Okay, so 2008 to 2013, it has taken almost 6 years to convince them on this platform, and to convince them I have done 22 bridges. To showcase them that these many bridges, all 7 years done. Then finally, thanks to Suresh Prabhu, he was, when I was doing my PhD part and I was giving a presentation in 2012 in Delhi, he was one of the chairperson that time in a committee part, and he has listened this presentation of bridge. So here what he has done, somebody is thinking of bullet train, okay, and somebody is thinking of removing the hurdles. Let us, the two opposite thinkings were there. What he has done, in Mumbai to Delhi, in that route, there are close to 70 bridges where the speed limit is 20 kmph. The topmost speed is 120, and the train has to go with the 20 kmph for that 70 bridges. So he was thinking that can we have a technique so that we can restore these bridges for, say, another 15, 20 years before we plan for a new route. And these are all 40-year-old bridges, 40, 50-year-old. So on that line he was thinking, and really for first bridge, railway is good, RDO says much more better. Much more better means, in engineering when we get difficulties we say very good. Okay, so RDO, so convincing RDSO is another borderline. Okay, so we have convinced these PSC girders, almost 40 years. The permissible deflection was 4 to 5 mm. It was deflected 12 mm and it has developed a flexural crack. On this route, there are close to 60 PSC girders were there from Mumbai to Delhi. They have tried for, in 2001, all testing we have carried out before and after, instrumentation, and then all repair. This fiber wrapping is done only once the repair is done. Means the grouting, in the morning I was hearing, the grouting has been done. If somebody has done a resin grouting in the monsoon, resin will never get set in the monsoon. So somebody has done a wrong grouting. Okay, it's not that we don't know the technology. We don't have a skilled application or skilled applicators. We have a problem with this. So these are the cracks we have filled, and then we have done a pre-stressing of these girders. In 2013, first span was there. These are the last spans, and we have strengthened the girders using this pre-stressed carbon laminates. Okay, these were the all scheme. What we achieve is this. We achieve the deflection recovery 65%, natural frequency 90%, and after 7 days of retrofitting, the train was running with the speed of 100 kmph. That was our engineering contribution towards the nation. I think if every research scholar think of this line, in fact, if like other contractor, I could have convinced, I was convincing 7 years taking time to convince railway, okay, if I could have used that time, I could have made good money with the private contractors, okay. But giving a time to the nation is something we have to contribute towards the, if on this route, every day, there are close to crores people travel on this route, okay. If they save 17 minutes on each bridge, and suppose we have done, right now we have completed 32 bridges, okay. So that is the biggest contribution as a research you can contribute to the nation, okay. So this is some glimpse. Let me conclude as I am running late. Lot of building, close to 500 buildings we have done till date. I have not shown any slide of buildings, okay, but my aim was going for an infrastructure. So close to all the hospital, to the running hospital, everything we have done. Then we have an in-house monitoring system. This is a recognition started in 2012 when I have done a Mithi River. Pranoda Sahab has given, when Modi Sahab was in Gujarat, he has validated again for the airport job. On 30 days, I was getting a bad words in contracting, you know the bad words, okay. But after this, when we get these rewards, all over the country or all over the globe, when you receive this, okay, it feel proud that something has been. And thanks to Gadkari Sahab, he has now in MOD, he has implemented this system for the old bridges. Okay. This is a Vishwakarma award. This is what we dream as a civil engineer, that we should get a, usually people get in for 60s and 65, thanks to God and family, of course. Okay. And this is in Singapore. Let me rush. This is recently, as a globe, 40 under 40. Okay, this is, I received personally in innovating something for the nation. Thank you very much. Thanks to God. And thank you. I'm sorry if I have taken. Any questions? Yeah. Any questions, or should I take afterwards? Any questions? I expect from the students any research scholar. After 5 year, 10 year, I want somebody should do a research, and really it should be an entrepreneur's research. Yeah. And I request all the faculty, like they should taught students like a Professor Mukherjee has taught me, and which I have taken carry forward. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. It was a beautiful lecture. Now I request Professor Narasimhan sir, one of the senior most professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, to present a memento ICSEBM 2018 to Dr. Gopal Rai, CEO, Dipendra Group of Company, as a token of memory for his wonderful lecture. Thank you, sir.